In a world that moves fast, some things are meant to take time. Every cut, every line, every stitch is a moment of patience, a quiet conversation between the hands and the leather. This wallet is more than an accessory. It's a reflection of care. Soft white leather meeting deep burgundy red. Two textures telling one story. The tool speaks softly. The blade glides, the hammer breathes. The thread dances through each hole. Handmade work asks for presence. It doesn't rush. It doesn't chase perfection. It listens to the rhythm of creation. In each piece of leather, there's a memory of where it came from. In each stitch, a trace of the maker's heart. Every step leaves a mark. The scent of leather, the sound of the blades sliding through the grain, the weight of the tool in your hand. These are the moments that can't be rushed, moments that teach patience, that connect you to something real. Handcraft is not just about skill, it's about presence. It's about feeling the story grow beneath your fingertips. Some people see a wallet. I see hours of quiet focus, a dialogue between material and intention. When you slow down, you start to notice beauty hiding in the details. The small imperfections, the soft edges, the warmth that only the hand can give. That's what makes it human. That's what makes it alive. Leather remembers, so will the one who carries. We live in a time where most things are made to be replaced, but handmade things, they're made to last and to remind us of the value of slow. Because when we create with patience, we create meaning. And meaning never goes out of style. This is the art of leathercraft. This is the beauty of slow creation, made by hand, guided by time. Warrion leather.